Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Nvidia model and current driver quickly. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and note the exact GeForce name. This ensures you download the correct package. Once done, create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. It's fast and prevents headaches. Make sure your PC is plugged in or has at least 50% battery, and close games or heavy apps, so installation proceeds without file locks or interruptions. Now you get the driver and run it. Use GeForce Experience for automatic selection or manually choose Windows 10 and 64-bit on Nvidia driver page to match your hardware ID. Once the exe is downloaded, run it as administrator. That avoids permission errors. If you want a fresh slate, pick Custom Install and check Clean Install, which removes old driver remnants. Follow the installer prompts carefully, and when it asks Reboot, that completes the core driver replacement and initializes the new files. Finish by confirming the new driver is active. After reboot, open Device Manager or Nvidia Control Panel and check the driver version and date. Make sure they match the installer. Once confirmed, run a game or GPU stress tool briefly to verify stability and watch temperatures. Spikes or visual artifacts indicate trouble. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Use System Restore or Device Manager's rollback driver to revert, and then try a different driver build or perform a clean install to fix persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.